everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make oatmeal cookies. You just need only 3 ingredients, very quick and easy. You can measure the ingredients using a tablespoon. You can make as many as you want, easy to modify. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. To make 6 cookies, you need 6 tablespoons of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 tablespoon of honey. You can easily modify this to vegan using soy milk and syrup. Ingredients are very simple, so use your favorite brands. Mix all the ingredients together, divide it into 6 portions. Use the tablespoon to form the dough into round cookie shapes. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. If you want to bake them crispy, flatten them out. With the back of the spoon or with your fingers is okay. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes until crisp golden brown. And now it's done. It's very easy to make, simple yet delicious. I hope you like this idea. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
大人っぽい顔してしもうちょっとだ。チャンネル登録お願いします。グッドボタン押してバイバイ。100万人お願いします。